Hey, what's up guys, it's Vertex here, and today we'll be unboxing and building the WEIKAV Lucky65. Upon opening the box, we're greeted with a piece of foam, which is always appreciated. You know, you can never have too much foam. And then we have this little box for the accessories, and then we have another dust cover, which, as you guys know, I always love and appreciate. Finally, getting into the star of the show, the keyboard. Taking a better look at it, the red is just so nice and so vibrant. Here's a look at the back. Don't mind the sweaty marks on the back. My hands are just really sweaty sometimes. Getting into the accessories box, we have a USB little dongle, which is always nice for tri-mode. I mainly am going to use this wired, but it's always appreciated. We have a keycap switch puller, which is always nice as well as a white USB-C cable. For this build, I will be using some Vertex V1 switches. These switches have been on my wish list for a while, and I recently just got them. The label says unlubed, but I'm pretty sure that they are lubed because they feel super smooth. For the keycaps, I went with the IDOBAO retro Korean keycaps. These keycaps were inspired by Red Lucky65 build. I'll link that below. And finally, now it's time to assemble the keyboard, and using a little bit of magic, the build is done. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the build, and I'll leave you guys off with a sound test.